Welcome back with a new and delicious recipe. A Filipino housewife showed me this beef recipe. Are you ready? Let's go. 650-gram beef. Cut into thin slices. Juice 1/2 lemon. 4 tablespoons light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Mix well and leave to marinate for 1 hour. 3 onions. Cut into large rings. Preheat the frying pan. Oil for frying. Fry the onion over high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Put the onions on a plate. If needed, add more oil to fry. Sear the meat on both sides. 4 cloves of garlic. Put the meat on a plate. Some oil for frying, if needed. Fry the garlic for 30 seconds. Add 150 milliliters water to the marinade. Deglaze the pan. Bring the sauce to a boil. Put the meat back into the pan. Add water or beef broth to cover the meat. Simmer the meat over low heat for 40 to 60 minutes or until tender. If the meat is tough, add water and let simmer for a while. 1/2 teaspoon sugar. Add onion and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Dill. Green onion. That's it, your beef is ready. Enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. See you in the next video.